Traditional conveyance means that your slowest process gates your throughput. However, the individually controlled shuttles of SuperTrak provide the flexibility to sequence the manufacturing process in the most efficient way throughout the system. The SuperTrak platform enables a more efficient system design, maximizing the productivity per square foot of the system as a whole. SuperTrak-based systems support easily moving from one-up process to two-up process to a multi-up process, all within the same system. Longer cycle times are efficiently managed and can be directly adjacent to shorter cycle times. This results in a more balanced, compact, and higher throughput automated system. In this example, we have 3 separate heat stake processes where the shuttles are required to index through 4-up, 6-up, and 12-up configurations in the same cell. The SuperTrak software intelligently configures and dynamically addresses the stop locations for each of the shuttles based on the part type and the state of the upstream and downstream processes. This maintains line balance and maximizes system throughput.